Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. And in the last video, we put this bad boy in. Today we get to use it. And I came up with some interesting conclusions. When I home the machine, instead of coming to this corner, it's coming out here someplace. So we're going to have to fix that. And then we're going to get cutting into some walnut and get it all ready to make our first project with the new router. So stick around, stay tuned, and we'll get this figured out. I have the router approximately where I want it. To do this right, I really should have an 1/8 inch bit in here because that's how I set it the first time. So just to get the point down a little further. But I have that halfway off this board in both directions. And if you look down in here, you see a limit switch. That should be up against this board right now. So I need to figure out how much more of a stop block I need to put in here. So it's going to be a little process of trial and error, and hopefully we can figure it out and get that to stop, because I do want it to home back to that corner every time. It's so much more convenient. So I'm going to do this off camera because it's going to be really boring for me to try and hit that switch over and over again with a board. You can't even hardly see the switch in there on camera, so I'm going to do that and then I'll get back with you. Ooh, I tell you, I'm having a day. I'll get back with you in a minute when I get that figured out, and then we'll run the homing sequence again and see if I got it right. Okay, I got my block. If anybody's interested, it is 0.556. So 556 thousandths is the apparently the difference between that and the other one. So all I need to do is get that glued in right there, and we're back in business. Pretty sure I got it dialed in now. It should end up right in the corner. Yep, perfect. Alright, so this is how I did it. Put that little piece of wood in there I added to the one that I had. So if I ever go back to the small spindle, for whatever reason, I can leave this one in, take that one out. Or if I want to carve off the front, dovetails or whatever, take them both out, and the machine will go forward that much further past the edge. So that being said, let's take this router for a test drive. Well, might need to go down another notch, huh? Round 2. Let's try it again. I gotta go down another one. Round 3. That's better. I think this is actually quieter than the one I took out. bad. Not bad. I think I do need to come a little further this way. That last pass just barely touched that, so looks like I gotta thin that block out just a little bit more. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. Now we can get on to the next project, I guess. So hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.